around.
I love that guy. So, I don't know, this is my third day using the bus. Yeah, third day. And as you see, I'm not on a bus, I'm in a car because it's like a fucking flash flood out there or something.
No visibility.
Right. I mean, I was literally, the bus was supposed to be here in 5 minutes. I was running out my front door, and it was like, oh shit, it's raining. I grabbed the umbrella, I go out the door, and then it starts pouring down rain, and I'm like, oh, okay, this is not gonna really work out for me. So, this guy.
I told her so.
He did. This guy was kind enough to give me a ride to school, and I kind of hope, I'm glad I have class until 8:30, so tonight, so like, I hope this is all gone by then, or hopefully he.
I'll put you up there.
That's why I love that guy. Anyways, peace out.